Hey beautiful Tovians, welcome back. It's your girl Tovia Ogun. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome. If you're yet to subscribe, please do that right now, okay? Anyways guys, this is a very quick video. So I was asked how you can actually create a poll like this one here, this other one, and this other one and this other one, okay? Because I've been creating quite a whole lot right from last year that I became monetized on YouTube. Now before I dive into this video, I just want to say something, guys. You all need to please always respond, guys. You need to always respond anytime you see posts like this from me. Please always respond. They are very, very important. Like this one, I thought you guys love premiums, but looking at the votes here, it actually tell me that people prefer regular uploads than premiums. So always reply to my community post so that I can know what you guys like and don't like, because at the end of the day we are all in this together. So that's why you guys, you need to always reply, okay? Anyways, I'm just gonna show you guys how you can create your own community post. So to start, I'm just gonna go back to my YouTube channel. Now you want to just scroll to the front to the part that says community up there. So once you're here, now you see YouTube is asking you what is on your mind. So sometimes this part that says what is on your mind, it will display as post an update to your fans, stuff like that. So in case if you see, you want to just click on it. As far as that place is free, just click on it. Now this is the part where you get to write whatever is on your mind. This is where you get to create a poll. So just think of any question. For me, I'm just gonna say, have you ever gotten a copyright claim / strikes? Just gonna put claims there. So this is the question. Now add your question mark. So how do you now put those, questions options? You want to click on this first icon, this like an analytics icon. Click on that. Now this is where you get to add the options. So you can add up to like 5 options. I don't think you can add more than that. So let me just take them off because I don't think I need that much. Now you want to write your answers. So I'm just going to say, yes, I have gotten a copyright claim. Yes, I have gotten a copyright strike or strikes. Okay, anyone, let's just put strikes, claims, or claim. So third option will be, yes, I have gotten a copyright claim and strikes. That's me, guys. I've gotten the both of them. So my fourth option will be, no, I have not. So now these are my options, and so you can add more options if you want. So this is how you basically just create it. So once you finish, you normally just click on the post, but this is something I personally love, which is this pin icon. I love it, so that's why I'm adding it to mine. Make sure you go through your questions very well before you post it, because once you post it, you cannot edit it. You cannot go back to it, or else you have to delete it. So make sure you actually read through it. Make sure there's no errors, or there's not something you didn't want to say and your message or your question is fully passed across. So if you think everything is okay, now you want to just click on post, and here we go. Let's just click on it to view it. So this is basically your questions, and let me say, you can only like it, you cannot vote, because you're actually asking people, so you personally cannot vote. But once people vote on it, you will get to see like this one here. So you see that people have been voting. So that's just basically how you go about it, okay? Another thing I want to say is, to have this community tab on your YouTube channel, you need to have 1,000 subscribers, and then you wait, I think, a week or 2 before the community tab will pop up on your YouTube channel. Now you just say somebody has even voted. Oh my god! And then the person says, yes, I've gotten a copyright claim or claims. Oh my god. Anyways guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this YouTube video. And I'm gonna be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you for stopping by. I love you, and bye.